Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new into my channel, my name is Nike. I am a lifestyle. I do vlog. I literally do a lot of things on this channel because this channel was created by making hair, but I decided to start vlogging because I do love to vlog and I do like to show you guys my lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that I got from Icy Hair. One thing I love about Icy Hair, I love their curly hair. Their curly hair is always 10 out of 10. Their lace is always like 8 out of 10. If you know how to melt a lace properly, you will be definitely okay on their lace. This wig is 13 times 4, 26 inches coily Brazilian hair. Absolutely gorgeous hair. I really love this wig. I think this wig is so nice, and I think this wig is a beginner friendly. If you don't really know how to melt a lace, you don't know how to do a full lace wig, I recommend you to get this wig. So if you guys really want this wig, you want to know where, if you want this wig link, let me know and I'll put it in the description box for you. But for now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you do like what I do on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and make comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.